Superintendent of Police SP CID Meghalaya ubak Vivek Sim ulak pentip baki Paidbah kidai ban pentip syaka cyber crime wing da ka ba phone hau number khat khandai lai pho da ki sha Thok Pisa ling baki code internet cyber crime ba kren sekelar pathai ko bor ubak Vivek ulak pentip ba kajela kala sakhi ka jingkiu ki kam sha Thok Pisa ling baki code internet cyber fraud ha baro ki district kajela ubak Vivek ulak ethu ba katnat CID kala deb ban pha jingtip sha baro ki Superintendent of Police SP Jongki district pat kumju ru syaki Paidbah henrela sakhi baki dangdon kiru Paidbah ki ba sya ngop ha kiru Thok Pisa ling baki kon internet ulo ong ban kaliang katnat cyber crime wing kaya le kat bala ban pin klein shu ya katnat knang pan te la kam ya ki kam be ain bat pan kem ya ki to ki badan kti ban Thok Pisa ki Paidbah
to get there. We've got about 2 DYSPs, we've got 4 inspectors, 6 sub-inspectors and 10 constables. Now this is the core team which is going to all districts. Every district is supposed to have a cybercrime cell of this. Almost all districts have, I think, save for 1 or 2, but all of them are in the formative stage. And I'm telling you, cybercrime is not that you once you form up a cybercrime wing, it remains there. It's every day. It's a learning process. The criminals are ingenious criminals. Every day they're learning new things and all that. Modus operandi is different. So we are on our toes and all that, trying to study what is their modus operandi. Also coordinating with other districts, other units, central agencies. So this is something which is actually in a formative stage. But we will get there. Yeah.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center